Right, we've come to the end of the capacity test for these 4 cells, and they are, hang on a second, the capacity of these cells is 290.5 amp. There's your individual cells: 274, 2.82, 2.82 and 2.60. The 4th cell was the one that ended the test when it hit 2.5. So we are 10 amps above the rated capacity, which is absolutely awesome. The battery's just gone back up to 11 volts there, but look at that, that is amazing. Actually, let's do 223 volt, 223 millivolt deviation. And cut off voltage, so it reached that, and we're at, look at that, discharged 290.5 amp hours. That is amazing.